an Auxbeam F-16 bulbs LED. Let's see what this package have. It's an Auxbeam manual, instructions, and the LEDs with the drivers. As you can see, they're really small. I hope they'll fit in my Chevy Cruze. You can see the bulb here. That's the size. As it says, it's a really slim design with vents in here, the driver itself, and the cords. As you can see here, it's a bit unprotected, but overall quality is quite nice. Very solid build, and I'll try to post another video how it will shine in my headlights. I hope it will be really nice. Looks good. Okay, so I do need to remove the top screw, otherwise it will not fit into the housing. But as you can see, after I remove it, it goes straight into the 9005 housing. So now I'll put the bulb in and I'll show you how it looks. I have fitted the bulbs. Here's how it looks. Yep. Clean LED. LED, baby. You cannot see anything in here, but it's quite bright light. I've lowered the beams, so you cannot really see the pattern because I don't have a really nice wall. But it's quite straight because those are lenses, you know. It's quiet, but you can hear little noise. Overall, really great bulb. Fits in without the cap. Nice work. Let me just turn the flash off. Let's see how it works. Yep, you can see the cutoff. It's a bit white, but the nice white color is there. Very bright light. Let me just go a bit back so we can see how it works. Always on the road. Oh yeah, baby, that's the cutoff. Oh yeah, that's the light I want. Really nice, really good. Yep, works well, no flickering, no nothing. A really great bulbs. Hope they will last a bit longer than I expect. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.